So I did an episode just recently about alternatives to time shift. And then I thought, somebody might be out there that has a Linux operating system mounted and not heard of time shift. Well, let's talk about time shifts a little bit. It's a quintessential feature of Linux Mint, and that means it's a keeper. You got to have time shift working like a time machine on your computer. It backs up everything periodically. When you make changes, let's say you break something, that you got to go back to the old version before you installed the brand X, then that'll do it. Okay, you can restore your system back, and it's going to be good as new, or good as it was the last time you backed it up and everything was working. So, time shift for Linux, yes, it's a keeper. Definitely ought to have that, and I got them, so you can get them. Go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. There'll be a link in there for time shift and all the explanation, how it works, etc. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.